Okay, I got 6 minutes, and I know I'm going to run over, so we'll try. So I'm with IBM. This is not my slides. Okay, so I'm with IBM, so obviously we have some legal stuff to say, just basically because I'm going to talk about a few features. So we offer two products, Maximo, which is what I work on, and Tririga for the facility management. So I'm going to just really go quickly because I do have a video. Maximo has many add-ons for various solutions. At the bottom right, you'll see the IBM BIM extensions. Don't get to say this very often, but it's free. Is my demo going to start? And you'll notice that my voice changes. It's not actually me doing the video. We have, as it's been mentioned a few times, the UK is very far ahead of most of the rest of the world as far as the BIM solutions and what their standards for BIM is, and it's been mandated by the UK. And the person doing the demo is from our team there. And I'm not sure if the voice is going to come through. Okay, it's very faint, so. So this is, maybe if we just turn it down, I'll walk it through. So we're looking at Maximo here. And this is just a start center. Basically, the BIM integration uses the COBie standards, so we can import, update, and export the COBie. This instance has already got a COBie, a BIM model installed, and what he's going to show here is that we have a report that hot water is not working in one of the men's rooms. So we know that the problem's probably not at the tap within that men's room, and so he's going to create this work order, and then he's going to go look at the location. And when he's looking at this location, what he'll find is that it is part of a system, and I think it was mentioned in the last panel that systems are very important to add into your BIM models so that the maintenance people can actually take a look at what's within that system and where the problem might really lie. So he's pulling up a record within Maximo. So this has been imported from that model already. And he's going to go over to the viewer and look at the systems that it's in. And here we're actually using Autodesk's large model viewer, which is, we're in beta currently. And out of the box, we work with the Navisworks, but we also have viewers that work with we've talked about UBIM, Ecodamus as well. Geary Technologies is here today as well, and we worked with all of them. So the viewer itself is not, it's interchangeable. We'll work with any of them. And he's just going through here now. He's looking at different records within Maximo. We can use Maximo's navigation to highlight various portions of the model. Here we're looking at a water tank. And he's going to click on the object beside it, and he'll show up on the Maximo record that, so I'm moving faster than the demo, that this is actually the boiler. And then he's going to open up and look at the system that's involved with it. So he'll see the pipes that go across to the pump as well as the taps. And this is how we can click on any of these objects and add it to the work order. So it's that visual clue. You can also, within viewers, and they're all pretty much the same, you can do measurements. You can find out how much space there is between that boiler and the pump, or that type of thing, or how high you might have. You might need a ladder to bring with you. So these measurements can also help when you're looking at the viewer on the FM side for doing maintenance. And so he's added that to the work order. And hopefully, if I've timed this right, oh yeah, he's talking about the pump there. And that's just a little bit of the integration with the viewer from Maximo. We can look at it through the assets, through locations, looking at the systems from the work order. We can look at what's been added to the work order and look at other possibilities that might be added to it, and always add it through that viewer. It's just very interactive. And if you want to stop the demo, I'll go back to my slides.
Since we made a technology faux pas, we'll go an extra,
Oh.
maybe 2 minutes.
Okay.
All my thing here.
Let's see. Okay, so that's a demo. See, these are some of our customers in the various industries across, and BIM applies to all of them. The other product we have is facility management, and that is our Tririga project, and it covers everything from real estate to environmental and energy. And in third quarter this year, they are doing Revit plugin, so it's two-way communications between Revit and Tririga. And we have some features with the viewer within Tririga, and then they're going to take what we've done on the Maximo side with a Kobe import and use that, and hopefully we're going to take their Revit API and integrate with Maximo, and these are some of the customers for the Tririga side of things. So I went a little over.
No.